The best comedian in Byton Road, corner Samson Road.
Luis Pedrosa!
I just woke up kanina and I had cramps. Cramps? Nag-basketball ba ako sa panaginip? Ganun na tayo ngayon of our age. Kung ano-ano ng sakit. That's why, sabi nila, it is better daw na you add friends who are doctors. Doctors. They're gonna help you. May mga connect yan. Ha? Kahit secretary ng doctor, married to a doctor, relative ng doctor. Add them in your Facebook. Invite them. They're gonna help you. Ha? Kailangan mo na access sa MRI machine? Gusto mo malaman saan ka pwede magpa-CT scan na medyo mura? You need doctors. Doctors. Yeah. Pero nung 20s tayo, the friends that we need, friends with the car. Diba? Gusto mong manood ng concert sa folk arts? Wow! How? Paano? Friend with the car. Gusto mong mag-disco? Disco pa nung araw. You need pwede ka mag-commute, pero pag uwi mo, problema. That's why you need a friend with a car. Napatrouble ka sa school, hindi ka makalabas, bubugbog ka, you need a friend with a car. Makalabas ka ng campus. Playful na ako nung bata because I watch a lot of Kung Fu movies. Yeah, Kung Fu. And, alam mo yung Kung Fu, nakakatawa yung kasi may mga romantic flick din yun Di ba? Hey! Hey! Cheryl! Come here! What time's the movie? Manonood ka ng weekend, Bruce Lee, di ba? Kaya noon, uso sa amin mga nakabukas yung polo Di ba? Kita yung mga abs mo. Actually, wala kang abs, mga payat ka kasi. Mga gitara yung katawan mo. Nanonood ka ng Bruce Lee. Pagdating mo ng Monday, ikaw na si Bruce Lee. Hey! You kill my teacher! No, I'm gonna kill you! Diba? Ganun That's so when you're 20s, friend with the car. That's what you need. Pag 40s or 50s ka na, the friend that you need are lawyers. No? Lawyers. Kapag padala ka ng picture, hindi mo na mabawi. Ayaw tanggalin ng Facebook. Ayaw mo mapahiya. You call a lawyer. They're gonna fight the Facebook protocol. How do I know this? Research. Tapos, yung anak mo, napaaway sa school, nakasakit, you need a lawyer to take you out of the equation. Huwag ma-attach sa yung liability. Coach your son. Bakit mo pinukpok ang ulo ng kaklase mo ng bato? Sagot! May langgam po. So lawyer. Illegal termination, sexual harassment, you need lawyer for that. Lawyer. Like, nung nagwo-work pa ako sa programmer, somebody advised me, mag-ano ka, corporation ka para it will help in your business taxes. So I did. I put up a one-person sole corporation. But after a year, na-hire ako sa programmer sa isang company. So technically, I have to close that corporation ASAP. So it's basically, mangyayari is I will fire myself. Look, I have never been fired. And I have never fired anybody. So it's really a dilemma. But when I reviewed my last year performance sa company, I was the weakest link of that corporation. So I did not waste any time. I called myself in the home office kitchen. I was there in my boxer shorts, or they were charging me with sexual harassment. They couldn't prove it. But right there and then, I let myself go. To be honest, I didn't take it well. So when I left that corporation, I took some stuff. So yeah, 40s, 50s, lawyers, those are the friends that you need. In 60s, yun, edad namin. The friends that you need. Doctors, nakapila ka sa St. Luke's, sa ER, you need a room, you need doctors. Connection. Para magkaroon ka ng room. So 20s, friend with a car. 40s, lawyers. 60s, doctors. 80s, again, friend with a car. Kasi hindi ka na makapag-drive, di ba? May gout. May gout. So, manood sa Ayala, libre sini. Yan, that's friend with a car. You know, itong age ko na to, malapit na akong ayawan ng HMO. Malapit na. And I should warn also yung mga ka-age ko, you better prepare. Kasi pag wala ka ng HMO, mahirap. Good if you have saved for the rainy day, di ba? Because if you have saved for the rainy day, you have nothing to worry about. But if you did not save for the rainy day, you have two things to worry about. Whether ang kakapit sa yung sakit, tabi sa atin, is life-threatening or non-life-threatening. Pag non-life-threatening, you have nothing to worry about. Pero pag life-threatening, you have two things to worry about. Are you gonna live or are you gonna die? If you're gonna live, you have nothing to worry about. But if you're gonna die, you have two things to worry about. Are you going to heaven or are you going to hell? If you're going to heaven, you have nothing to worry about. But if you're going to hell, you have two things to worry about. Crispy or extra crispy? Okay, thank you. Okay, so that's... Hindi pa tapos. Yeah. Nawala tuloy ako, kayo kasi.